Welcome back to the Stumpf Moving and Storage YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Sean, and this is my 2011 Ford F550 custom-built moving van. It was custom built by US Truck Body. There isn't another company out there that's willing to produce an 18-foot moving van body on a Ford F550 chassis with a 5-foot attic. This is a true moving van, and this truck body isn't even the best part of this vehicle. No, the best part is located in the back, where we have our 3,300-pound Palfinger Cantilever Liftgate. I'm going to take you around to the rear in just a second to show you how it works and why it's so special. But before I do, if you guys like this video, if you enjoy the content here, if you learned something, hit that like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the moving and storage industry. Well, there you have it, guys. That aluminum plate is the liftgate. Some would think it's the back door, but no, it's not on this truck anyways. And yes, this liftgate comes in a wide variety of configurations where it actually could be the back door of the truck. But for our applications, we did not need it to be the rear door, so we have a roll-up door behind it. Before I show you how this operates, I'm going to tell you a little bit about why this is such a unique tool and why it comes in handy when we're piano moving. So we are located in the northeastern United States, so steel plate liftgates rust out. It's just the nature of it. In a couple of years, they're obsolete. So we opted to go with an aluminum liftgate, which will last pretty much a lifetime and keep the truck looking nice and clean when we show up to our customers' homes. The best part about this, though, is that this liftgate will stay level on any surface. So this gate comes down, and then it's a nice big working platform. It's huge, guys. It's really nice. And if we have to, we can ramp off of either side. We don't have to come out of the back necessarily. Say we can't get in the side doors of this truck. You know, we have those big barn doors there. Well, we can always put the lift gate down and then come off the side of the lift gate. It's really one of the most handy tools a mover can have. And the best part about it is that it stays level on any surface. So if we're on a really steep hill, and instead of fighting the piece of furniture or the piano, we just level the lift gate to what we need to keep everything safe. Let me show you guys right now how this works. Now, to operate the lift gate, come under here. This is the rear of the truck, and the controls are located in this little housing. Now we'll have tilt above lift, and tilt we always do first when the lift gate is in the up locked position, so that when it's up against the truck body. If we start to push lift, let's say we would go lift down, it can do some damage to the body. So we want to tilt it before we would ever use lift. So we're going to tilt it down. Now that we're level, we'll go down. Now once we're at our desired height, we'll step up on, open the back of the truck. Now this remote is located on the interior of the truck body, and if we wanted to go down, we just press down. And if we continue to hit the down button, it will end up self-leveling. Check this out. So we'll meet the surface of the ground. That way we can load the cargo. And when we want to go up, we press up. It will self-level again, and then it will start to go up. We're level, we can load our cargo. Once I'm loaded and we're all done, we're going to start to close the door. Not all the way though, because we still got to get down. So we'll press down. Start to go down. Now I'll hang up the remote so it doesn't get damaged, and we'll close the door. Now that I showed you guys how to open it and how to use it, to close it is the exact same thing. All you have to do is reverse those steps. I'll show you in a second, but I want to let you guys know that this liftgate is perfect for anybody in the special commodities industry, from pianos to bank vaults. Everything you could think of that's heavy and cumbersome and needs a level surface, this is the liftgate that you need. Don't bother with the tuck away, use a cantilever, and you'll be very happy. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you learned something, please hit that like button. If you just enjoyed it, hit that like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the moving and storage industry, and I'll catch you in the next one.